Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to share your board that you have created on the Pinterest.com website. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the website, tap on the Your Profile icon in the upper right corner of the screen. Tap on the board that you have created and would like to share with others. After that, tap on this More button next to the board name at the top of the screen and click on Share, which is the second option. Here you have a bunch of options that you can select from, so you can share it via WhatsApp, Messenger, Facebook, Twitter, or also you can forward it via email. So tap on the relevant one, and if you select the email option, you should type in the email address of your recipient, and you can also add a further message, and when you are done, click on the save button and your board will be sent. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.